Hey everybody, I'm Mike Steele. Welcome to Barbecue Champs Academy. Have you ever wondered what the pros do to make their barbecue so good? Are you ready to take your tailgating barbecue cooking to a level you never thought possible? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then we are excited to bring to you the world's first online tell-all competition barbecue cooking school. Our Grand Champion Pitmasters and Grillmasters will share with you all their competition secrets that have made them the top cooks in the world. They'll show you exactly what to look for when buying the meat and give you detailed instructions on how to trim. You'll get in-depth details on how they make their championship injections. You'll be shown which rubs to buy and how to apply for every meat they cook. They'll show you exactly how they make their championship barbecue sauces, along with details on how they manage the fire and the type of woods they like to use. You'll be shown step by step how to smoke and grill the meats during the entire cooking process, and much, much more. All of this will enhance your knowledge and ability to provide award-winning barbecue at your next NASCAR tailgating event. You'll enjoy Barbecue Champs Academy unique learning experience. All of our videos are shot in 4K ultra high definition, showing you step-by-step detailed instructions. You can watch, pause, go back, and re-watch the videos at your leisure 24 hours a day. If you buy all the meats the Pitmaster or Grillmaster offers, then you will have access to their private Facebook page to ask them questions. These classes are ideal for any level of Pitmasters experience. Are you ready to cook like the barbecue pros? Now's the time to enroll in the world's first online tell-all competition barbecue cooking school.